Hey guys, welcome to another video. So I haven't been posting in a long time. It's because my laptop has been broken since then, but my friend fixed it. So yeah, I'm so happy. So today I will be doing trade attempts for where is it? Sorry. For my pink short vest back collar. Hold on, guys. Sorry, guys. I thought I heard my mum calling. So yeah, you might hear the mouse is a bit different because this is my old mouse. This is So I was actually using a touchpad for the past few days, and I'm actually using a real mouse. So yeah, that's why it's a bit out of place and going crazy. Hold on, let me wrap it around the back of my laptop. So yeah, we're actually going to start into the trade attempt. So I will be putting a song on, and I love this song, and I think it's I'm Coming Home. That's the name. So yeah, I'm gonna start now. This is the song I'll be playing. Okay. I thought I would record with no music, and my animal jump's taking so long to refresh. Oh, I don't know. No. I'm keeping my spike. I'm not actually going to trade it away. Nope. Okay guys, I'm going to end my video here. If you enjoyed, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.